Hello crafties and welcome to Crafty Lifestyle. My name is Daniela and I want to welcome you to another video DIY. But first I want to show you my Christmas tree that I decorated. I've been doing this a tradition to every year decorate my Christmas tree differently. I don't think you can tell how gorgeous they look on the camera, but in person it just looks so sweet. This year I've been doing this just iridescent and gold colors, and here I have some ornaments. I did use some cutting dies, like some die cuts, and I made these guitars, and they're just honoring or some remembrance of my little brother who lives in heaven. And so every year this is really special for me and my family. Okay, so I did purchase these tiny ornaments that are the same color as the ones I have on my Christmas tree, the gold ones. And the ones that are not shiny, I'm gonna color them white and also shower them on glitter to make it look just like my bigger tree. And so I only paid $2 for this. For the garland, I only paid $3 even. And then I also went ahead and purchased this small box of lights for less than $3. So it's a great deal. As you can see here, I spent less than $10. And I didn't purchase this recently. I've been having this for years. This is the little tape, the one that you use on your garden, like for your plants. You can also find this at the dollar store. Really affordable, and this is just gonna, to cover. I don't want it to see through, so I'm just gonna wrap it around. Nothing fancy. But if you don't have this, you could also use whatever else you have, or if you don't want to use it, then don't use it. But the last thing that you need, I have this thread. You could use any thread. I was trying to use wire, but I couldn't find it on my craft room, so I decided to go for this. And so this is what we're gonna do now that we have, because you're gonna make the circle, right? And I made 3 layers, put them together, then did the hole in the middle, or you can do the hole individually and then layer the circles and just use some tape or whatever you have to put them together, just to make them more durable. So now what we're gonna do, you're gonna put a Thumbtack. Oh, I forgot to mention the Thumbtacks, I'm sorry. Some Thumbtacks. And this, it's only you can use any type of Thumbtacks. I have the ones that have 2 it says double point tacks. You could use this, or you can use some regular Thumbtacks, whatever you have. And if you don't have Thumbtacks, you can use anything else that you have. If you have wire, tape, whatever, just try to make it as simple and affordable as possible. If you have just the regular Thumbtacks, what you're gonna start doing is you're gonna get thread, make a knot, and try to do the knot inside the Thumbtack. That way you can stick it right here on this side, the one that is gonna go down. And then you're gonna take the thread around all the way to here, run it through, because you're gonna put a Thumbtack right here, and then just you have to go from the bottom to the tip. You're gonna be doing the same thing over and over. And so let me start doing it, and then I'll show you. The tree is not decorated yet, but so far this is how it looks. I just love the way it looks. It really looks like a store-bought Christmas tree. So this is not 100% finished, but I am so happy with the result. And this tree looks absolutely adorable on top of my table. This is where we're gonna have our Christmas dinner, and it makes me really happy to see this tree the way it came out. It still needs more ornaments. I also added the guitars and some angel wings. Not too big, not too small. It is perfect, and I wanna encourage you to try to make one for your table or for any special place in your home. And please remember that this is a true meaning of Christmas. It's not about the gifts. It is actually a beautiful day where when we celebrate the birth of Jesus, our Savior. And what better gift to give to your family, to your loved ones, to your friends, or to strangers than to give them love, to give them company, to spend a beautiful day together. And if you're depressed, if you're sad, if you feel lonely, please know that there's always someone. I'm here. Send me a message, and don't give up on life. It is really sad that on Christmas time, that's when more people commit suicide. There's a lot of people that are sad, that feel lonely. Please know that any situation, it is temporary. It has a beginning and an ending. It doesn't define your life or who you are. So please stay strong. I send you a big hug, and try one of these centerpieces. They're gorgeous, and I mean, not because I made it, but it doesn't look cheap. It looks really cute. Try it. God bless you. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will talk to you on my next video. God bless you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.